All right, we are at case 5. There is no case 4. That's an optional one. I can't think of anything to do for case 4, so we're going to skip the optional one. Case 5 says to take a 100-gram mass and put it near the end, and I even taped it on there as it suggests to do. Uh, and then uh, move the little holder at a place where it feels like it's in balance. Let's see if I found it. Put our little straw here. And it looks like the stick is leaning a little bit. If it's too heavy on this side, let's slide it just a bit. Try that again. And I would say that's balanced, wouldn't you? So we are at 14, boy, it's hard to call, 14 point, I'm going to call it 14.7. Now, I'll show you, hopefully you can see it. I've just got crude markings, and so the decimal points of the centimeters I'm coming up are very crude, but I'm going to call that 14.7. So we've got 100 grams at 1 centimeter, the 1 centimeter mark here. And let me turn it around so you can see 100 grams at the 1 centimeter mark. And then it's balanced at the, what did I say, 14.7. And you can see that indeed there's no tricks. It is indeed balanced. I'm just holding it with a little metal straw. Okay, and that's it for, I think that's all for case 5. If it's not, I'll have to redo the video over again.